Hello and welcome to the 10-point financial health check course. My name is Annaknight. I'm the founder and a certified financial planner at Simplicity Financial. And over the last 17 years, I've had the pleasure of taking most of my clients through this kind of a financial health check when I first sit down with them in my offices. What this course will allow you to do is really take a look at all areas of your finances for your family and give you a guideline or a perspective in terms of the areas you need to address right off the bat. Whether you're in your early 20s and you're just starting out, you might be having a baby on the way or getting your first house, or you're in later on in life and you've retired and you're drawing on the assets you've accumulated over time, or you have a pension that you're drawing on, whichever spectrum in life you're in, this course is going to help you figure out what areas of your finances you still need to address and who can you reach out to help you address these points.